welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some back to school paper squishies. I'm actually going back to school in about 2 weeks, which is pretty nerve-wracking, and I want you guys to comment down below when you're going back to school. Sorry I haven't posted for 2 weeks. I've actually been a little sick, which you can kind of hear my voice, but if you guys want more details on that, it'll be all in the description box. But let's just get started into these 3 back to school paper squishies. Alright guys, so the first squishy we're going to be making is a little composition notebook squishy. All you'll be needing for this one is paper, a pencil, a black marker, I'm just using the Sharpie, tape, stuffing, and scissors. Alright guys, so the first step to making this cute little composition notebook squishy is folding your piece of paper in half. Once you've folded it like this, we're going to lay it flat and calculate how big we want the squishy. Once the line is drawn out right here, we're going to want to cut the excess paper off of the top. I actually think this is a little long, so I'm going to now fold right here. And I'm just gonna cut right here because I just want to make it a little smaller. Once we have the shape that we like, we're going to take our black marker and start drawing on the details. I'm going to take my pencil and start sketching out like the little square in the middle that it comes with. Now I'm just gonna sketch out a straight line right here for the binding of the little notebook. Now I'm just going to add these little lines to like put the name of the person that owns the notebook. Okay, so now that we're done with the pencil work, we're going to go in with a black marker. I'm just using the Sharpie and start outlining the lines that you drew out. As you guys can see, I messed up the lines a little bit, but it doesn't matter, guys. If you make a mistake, it's all okay because it's gonna turn out so amazing. Now I'm just gonna color this whole edge black. Now that that's done, we're going to start doing our little technique that's going to make it look more like a composition notebook right here. And it's actually really simple, so all you have to do is do a bunch of scribbles all over the notebook. It looks a little crazy right now, but it's going to look pretty similar to the real one at the end. This is how it turns out, guys. Tell me this doesn't look super real. I actually really like how the little scribble works, and now all we have to do is repeat the same thing on the back. But we're just not gonna add this little front thing. It's just gonna be the scribbles and the binding. If you want to personalize it even more, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make really quick, cute stickers to just add on the front cover. Okay guys, so here are all the stickers that I made. They came out a bit sloppy, but that was kind of like the style I was going for like a little like kids decorated notebook. Take a piece of tape and just place it right there and tape it wherever you want. I'm just gonna tape mine right there. Once we're done with sticking on the stickers, we're going to take our tape and laminate the whole thing front and back, and might as well seal the two sides and leave the top open so we can stuff it. Now let's fill it up. Yes, we did it, guys! Here is how the final product looks. Let's go on to the next one. Alright guys, the second paper squishy we'll be making is a pencil, and this one's gonna be way easier. So we're just going to start off by folding our piece of paper long ways like a little hot dog. Now we're going to take a pencil and sketch out the size of the pencil. I'm going to start off by doing the point down here and doing a straight line right up. Once we finish sketching the pencil, I'm just going to take my black marker and outline the sketch. Once we're done with the black, we're going to want to turn it around and do the same thing. If you hold it against a window and push like this, you can actually see the lines from the other side, so just copy that. Alright guys, now I'm going to start picking the colors for my pencil. So I'm going to go with the classic. So I'm going to start out by this yellow for the body of the pencil. Then I'm going to take this red color for the eraser. And over here are these new set of markers that I got, which I really like. It's all of these like skin tones. And I think I'm gonna use this like light brown for the wood of the pencil. Also, don't forget to erase all of the pencil marks. And now, let's color. Now we're gonna laminate the front and the back. Now let's just cut it out. Alright guys, so the piece of paper that we just cut out should look a little something like this, but now we're just going to tape it together. And of course, leave the top open so we can stuff it. But before we finish taping these sides, I actually taped the little lead part right here because I saw something on TikTok that I really wanted to try, and we're going to try to make this paper squishy pencil functional. All you have to do is take a pencil and just stick it into your squishy and just make sure the end pops out right here so it actually works. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape and just tape it inside so it doesn't move around. Just like this. And actually you can bring this to school and be the coolest kid writing with a giant paper squishy pencil. But anyways, now we're just going to finish taping this side. Now that all of the sides are taped, we're going to just stuff it from the top. Alright guys, so here is how the final paper squishy turned out. It's actually like really like big. It actually looks 3D even though it's not, and it's like really squishy. But let's put it to the test and see if it actually writes. Let's write. DIY! Yes guys, it works. Now you're gonna be the coolest kid in class. Alright guys, let's go on to the last paper squishy. Alright guys, so for our final paper squishy, we're going to be making a mini calculator. So as always, we're going to fold our piece of paper, and this time we're just going to do it normally. Mine's going to be probably like the size of a phone, more long than wide. So it should look a little something like this. Now I'm just going to sketch out the little details, so let's start out by doing like the top screen where all of the numbers show. So this is how the final sketch turned out. I actually recorded me doing all of this, but I don't know why the footage like got deleted for some reason. But now I'm gonna start outlining. Now I'm going to take this fine liner and start doing all of the little numbers on the keys and some numbers up here. Now I'm just going to turn it around and trace around the calculator, but you don't have to do all of the keys and the screen, just the outside. Now that we've done that, we're going to color it. I'm going to do the whole thing purple and then color the keys light purple. As you can see, the purple was running out, but like, it's fine guys. It all turned out alright, but now I'm going to just laminate it with my tape. Alright guys, so this is how it looks all laminated. Now we're just going to cut it out. Alright guys, so once we have the front and the back fully laminated and cut out, we're just going to tape the sides and fill it in and have our final paper squishy. Here's this week's fan art winner. Congratulations to you. If you want to enter into next week's video, all you have to do is make a video on TikTok or YouTube and tag me. And sorry I couldn't do any shout outs on this video because the last video had the comments off. Alright guys, here are the final squishies that we've made today. Comment down below which one is your favorite, either the purple calculator, the composition notebook, or the functional pencil. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and hopefully you guys have a bunch of fun making these just like I did. Also, speaking of school, since I am going in about 2 weeks, I won't have literally any time to film videos, so hopefully I'll get lucky during the weekends and actually make a video at least once a week. So the videos are gonna start declining, but I'm still gonna post, obviously, and the face reveal. That's gonna be super exciting. I know you guys are excited, and yes. Bye!